Hello, this is a very short video on how to resolve the volume shrinking issue, where you cannot shrink a volume beyond a certain point. In my case, I have this Windows partition which is around 680 GBs, and I do have 79% of this free space. But if you can see on the screen, I'm unable to shrink it beyond 6 GBs, and this happens as it clearly states here that it's because of unmovable files. So if you have a volume where you have some occupied space and some free space and then some pagination files and then a space of free space afterwards, so in that case you'll be facing this issue if you try to shrink the volume. So in order to resolve it, there are very simple steps you can perform. You have to disable the system protection, hibernation, and file pagination. I'll show you step by step what needs to be done. So I will be pasting all these commands in the description section. So I will just go to run, paste, and okay. Here you will be able to see all your available drives on your system. For me, it's Windows partition. You'll select that. You will click on configure, and you will click on disable system protection. Apply. Give you a message. Click yes. Okay. Click OK. Then for the second step, you have to open the command prompt, type cmd in the start section, and to remember to run it as an administrator. Click yes, paste, and enter. For the very last step, you have to stop the pagination. For that, you're going to run again. Going to advanced properties. In system properties, under advanced section, go into performance section and click settings. Here you will have to again in performance options go under the advanced tab and select this under the virtual memory category, select change. Here you have to disable this automatically pagination file size and select no paging file, set yes, and okay. Close this dialog and the second one. After these steps you have to restart. Okay, so after the restart, I was still able to reclaim around 193 GBs, which was still not enough for my use case. I needed around 350 GBs. So an alternate to that is you can choose an third-party software, anyone you like. For me, I'm using this one, AOMEI. Uh, it has both the versions Pro and freeware. For my job, it's gonna do the trick. So first I'm going to select the partition I want to resize. In my case, it's a Windows partition. Resize it. In order to make it to 350 GB, I'll make this one 329. Let's make it 329, around this much. And okay, and click OK. So I have around 350 GBs. I'll create a new partition, drive. Okay, and that does my job. We can validate it here. We can apply these two operations, proceed, and we will restart. Okay, after this it will go into the Windows PE mode and will perform these operations, and once done I will show you the end result. Okay, so after the restart and Windows PE mode, the third partition tool has completed its operations. It has resized the partition. We can just verify it in our disk management tool. And if you can see our main original Windows partition, it has been reduced from 379 GB to 329. and we have created a new partition that is around 350 GBs, which was the desired result. So that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you.